god, I have to blow my nose. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to mute. 'Cause I don't want people to hear me blow my nose. Every time when I'm on stream, people try to catch me sneezing and they wanna clip the sneeze. But you'll
Clip
never.
the sneeze?
Yeah, they wanna post the sneeze.
Yes.
They like to hear a sneeze.
Hear the sneeze.
Do people like hearing you sneeze?
Yes, and actually, Haton really love the sneeze, and when I sneeze them, they're gonna prepare some water and how do you say it? Like they put water in the bottle.
Oh, spray bottle.
Yeah, spray bottle and spray their face. Actually, they did it.
They want to put it in a bottle and spray it?
Yeah, they spray like they feel like I sneeze them.
You guys are hentai.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, hold on. Let me blow my nose. I'm gonna mute so no one hears me.
Okay.
Don't listen to my nose.
Actually, is there someone have Mousey sneeze? Give me that clip.
What? You want a clip of me sneezing?
No. I said, what? Did I say something?
Oh, hold on. I'll be right back. Let me finish
You
putting.
will. Okay, thank you.
I'll be right back. Let me finish blowing my nose.
Okay. Yeah. What? Fine then, for CHAMA. Yes, fine for me. I really need that. Creeper, cowboy. Send it, boys. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I
Okay.
have a lot of sneeze juice.
Sneeze juice.
Yeah, it's like
Oh, you can give me after this.
What? No!
Juice.
No! I can't. I don't want to get you sick. No, I'll feel bad. And then everyone will come after me. They'll be like, Ironmouse, Mousey got Haachama sick. Get her! Oh god, I have to blow my nose one more time. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm gonna mute.
Okay.
Don't listen.
Turn it on. Let's turn it on. That's hard. Is anyone Hacken here? Hello? Turn it on. How can I turn it on? Oh, I'm bad at computer. So hard. Hackers. Yes. What? Yes? What?
Were you asking for hackers?
No way! I'm not gonna do that.
Oh my god.
No.
She wants to hear that much.
I did nothing wrong.
No, you didn't do anything wrong. Don't worry. I'm bad.
No, you're not.